Hello, in this video I just want to demonstrate what comes with the HDCFT-01 fiber termination kit. This kit includes all the tools necessary for terminating a hardened connector. Inside the kit, it includes a crimp tool, which is necessary for crimping the crimp ring on all the HDC connectors. It comes with a toner wire slitter. This helps remove the toner wire safely from the side of a drop cable. It comes with the appropriate drop cable snap arm that attaches to the side of the splicer. It comes with a cable slitter. This is necessary for slitting the sides. This one is for the 8145 flat drop cable. It comes with a heater, which is used for the heat shrink tubing on the hardened connector. It also comes with the power supply for that heater as well. And that makes up the contents. Oh, one more item. A Sharpie, which is necessary for marking the side of the cable when doing hardened connection terminations. And that is what comes with the kit.